we met up here for the first time.
Yeah, was it a steering committee?
Steering group meeting, probably in this room, I think.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, early days of that, yeah.
You've been part of a collective impact project, working with 4 other partners, layering up your activity to support that bigger goal of helping children reach a healthier weight.
There's very few places in the UK that have a place-based health funder of your nature. It's fantastic that there's this opportunity and there's this funding available, but I think there's so much already going on in that area as well. So trying to layer up your activities with the stuff that already exists, and to make sure that it's complementary but not crossing over or clashing. I mean, I think for me and for Alexandra Rose as a charity, working in partnership, it's all about, it's our natural way of working. You know, we can't achieve what we're trying to achieve by doing it on our own. You know, when you meet a good funder or a good local partner, you've got to find that sort of spark that makes working in partnership with them something that's going to be successful.
I think working in partnership with somebody means being flexible, being willing to listen, being supportive. One piece of advice I'd share about working in partnership is finding common endeavour at the beginning and not rushing or forcing that, just allowing opportunities to surface where those shared values can come about.
We have to balance, be really careful to balance the desire to scale the project here in Southwark with Guy's and St Thomas's, whilst also maintaining the attention to all of our other programme work and all of our other funders.
And we recognise that people we're funding do other work, and that's just as important as the work we're interested in. And it's just keeping that communication channels open on that. It's been really important.
It's hard when you get funding for somebody and then you're left to your own devices. Being engaged as a funder makes things much easier for us. You're really open to me sharing our challenges with you and then helping us find a way through those, which I think is great to have in a funder.
Oh, that's good to hear back. I really enjoyed the launch of the Rose Voucher project in East Street Market. I think it's opened up new relationships for you and us that we didn't necessarily think of at the beginning that would be so successful and so important.
Yeah, it's that local intelligence that's really key, because having those project partners who are on the ground, who can inform us of the dynamics of that local community, the needs of that local community, really, really, really important. So we didn't know, for example, that there was a large amount of families who had no recourse to public funds, so can't even access the government's Healthy Start programme. But they're an even higher level of need than perhaps some of the other families in that area who are suffering poverty. So we've got them onto the scheme because of the advice that First Place Children's Centre has given us. A family that might be engaging with us with their child who's under 5 years of age might have a sibling that goes to a school that's involved in some of the School Food Matters work, where they're accessing better school meals or doing cooking on the curriculum or food growing.
Or they're going down to Burgess Sports. And
exactly, in the summer and doing sports activities. Yeah. So I think the more we can make those links between the different activities that are going on, the more success and impact we'll all have.
We're going to continue to work with you guys, reaching more people, reaching more local distribution partners. So yeah, I'm really excited about the next 3 years.
For us as an organisation, that sort of commitment is really valuable. You know, we feel in a really lucky position to work with a funder who shares our ambitions but has real foresight to see that if we expand it, if we reach more families, that this can really benefit the local community. It's going to be great.